cleaning up my fidgets because we just did, if you guys don't know, I just did a bunch of fidget videos. Focus. Wait for my camera to focus. Be patient. Oh my goodness, why won't you focus? Just focus. Okay, now focus. Okay, my camera doesn't want to focus, but pretend it's focused. There we go. Alright, so today we are going to be cleaning up this. If you guys don't know, then I just did a bunch of fidget videos, and there's slime and fidgets all on my floor. We're just going to start with the animal puppets. So my horse puppets, they go in the animal drawer. Why is my camera that way? Come on, cooperate here. Is it upside down? There we go. So, the drawer is where my animal puppets go. Now let's do my food puppets going around. I only have one food puppet, which is my watermelon puppet. That goes in the first drawer. Next is all my squishies. The squishies will go in here. And sadly, we have lost a member. Why can't I show it? Come on. We have lost... Wait, I'm just picking it up. We have lost a stress ball member that is now deflated and sad. And its slimeness... Its slime is somewhere. Which we'll take care of that later. But I don't know what I want to do with this. I might keep it to scam somebody with. I don't know. Nobody really watches my videos, so none of my friends will know. I might scam somebody with this. Or they'll probably be mad at me. But a scam is a scam. I don't know. I'm probably going to throw this out. Leave Pancake and have it. Pancake doesn't want it. Whatever. I'll see it on the floor. So let's get all my squishies. And I would count my mochis as squishies because they're a squishy texture-ish, kind of. Okay. Right. But put those in here. Got almost all of my squishies in there. Can't forget my mochis. And I forgot some other things that I have to put in there. But that's sad that we've lost some members. Now we're going to put the random poppets in the random poppet drawer, which I kind of just have to memorize where they all are. These two go in there. They're just random shapes. And now we have to put my textured monkey noodle back in the drawer. I'm going to get directions. Now we have two. I think we got it all, except for that giant poppet. Oh, got the squishy. Can't forget the mochi. So now we're going to put this mochi in the squishy bin. And I'm just going to clean up. I don't know what I'm going to do with that slime. I'll get my fidget training pad up there. I made it myself last night with some tape and markers and paper. And my Mega Poppet. That's it. Excuse the mess. And pretty much just the slime that I don't know what to do with is left. So, yep, it has lots of dirt in it, and that's going to end the video.